is Chris Itu, Certified Feline Behavior and Training Consultant with The Perfect Cat. I'm here today with my cat Honeybell, or Belly, and we're going to go over a couple of things showing you how I use mat training and also a little bit about agility. So Belly is a scared kitty, and we do clicker training and positive reinforcement training, which clicker training is a type of positive reinforcement training, in order to help build her confidence and allow her to do things that make her comfortable and get her engaged with humans, since she's pretty afraid of most humans. So this way she associates humans with good things. This is Belly's mat, and she has learned that where I put the mat, Belly, go to your mat, she goes to her mat. I'll click when she goes where she does the behavior that I'm asking. I give her a click, and then she gets a reward. So for example, if I put my finger on the tunnel here, she'll go into the tunnel, give her a click, and she gets a little piece of kibble. You can put the mat up here on the house, go to your mat, and she'll jump up on the mat. Sit, good girl. The reason this is helpful is that when the vet comes, the vet will come to our house because we're using mobile. I can ask her to jump up on this mat, and I practice different types of handling that the vet might do in a vet visit. Bells, go to your mat. At this point, she associates the mat. Sit, 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 good. With good things. Touch, touch, good girl, touch. So I can ask her to let me touch her just the way the vet would. Looking at her ears, looking at her eyes, taking a booger out of her eyes. Good. And when she's calm, I give her a click and a treat. The other thing I will do with her for vet visit preparation and medication training, I ask her to allow me to touch her face. This is something Belly would never let me do for many, many, many months. She wouldn't let me even come near her or touch her. So if I can stroke her face, tip her nose up towards the ceiling, and we practice this motion. Good. That time she was very quiet when I held her nose up. That's all I'll do because she was a little unhappy with that, so we'll just leave it and come back to it another day. Asking a lot of her today for this video. Bells, come. In your house. In your house. This is another very useful skill. You can train a cat to go into a space and reward them and create a positive association. So for example, if this was a cat carrier, I can ask her to do that. It's also fun. Bells, come, jump. Jump. Nope. Bells, come. Jump. Good girl. And she gets some exercise and we play, and I can have her go all over the room. Bells. Good girl. High five. Good girl. And practice different skills. And this keeps her engaged, and actually she gets part of her dinner this way. So she's not eating all her food at once, and she's getting exercise at the same time. So there's a multiple benefits to doing training with your cat. Increases their confidence, allows you to practice training that's useful for vet visits, gets them exercise, and in 5 minutes or less, you've done all of those really wonderful things for your cat. Good girl, Bells. And then when we say, all done, all done, all done, so she knows we're done. Signing off for now. See you in the next video.